This is Genspark. This is not just another AI chatbot. This is the first real all-in-one AI workspace where AI just doesn't talk, it actually does the work for you. You can create your own custom AI agents for your day-to-day tasks, or you can just use any of these existing AI agents like AI Slides, AI Sheets, AI Docs, AI Developer, AI Designer, Clip Genius, AI Chat, and even AI Meeting Notes. Genspark is not just another random company. According to Forbes, it was valued at 1.25 billion US dollars. If you're still using ChatGPT, like thinking, writing, copy-pasting, and then jumping into PowerPoints, Excel, Google Docs, Canva, and another 10 tabs just to actually get work done. So I think you should definitely consider switching to Genspark. And once you realize how it works, it is almost impossible to go back. Genspark allows you to connect to all of these different third-party tools like the entire Google Suite, Notion, Microsoft 365, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and all of these different AI tools. Here's the key difference. ChatGPT helps you think and Genspark delivers the finished results. Instead of relying on one model, Genspark orchestrates multiple top AI models all at once. GPT, Claude, Gemini, Flux, Nanobanana, Veo, and more, and connects them to real tools that generate slides, spreadsheets, websites, designs, phone calls, and even podcasts. So one workspace, one subscription, and no tool switching. Let me just quickly show you what that looks like in practice. First, I want to try this AI Slides feature. And here I'm just going to give it this prompt, which is create a professional presentation on AI trends in 2026, use a consulting style structure. That's it. I'll just press enter, and now Genspark is going to create a very detailed and high quality presentation for me. And right now it is gathering information from all of these different sources, and all of these sources are actually the trusted websites like Forbes and Microsoft. And right now you can see it has just finished the first task. So basically when we gave it a prompt, it created 3 different tasks for itself. The first one was research AI trends and developments in 2026, and the second one was create consulting style storyline and outline, and finally it will design and build slides with professional layouts. And there you go, you can see all of these different slides are ready, and it's really fascinating to see how detailed and in-depth these slides are. You can just present these slides in a presentation view, or simply just click on export and then export these slides as a PDF or PPT or as Google Slides. But the most important thing is, unlike all other AI slide creation tools, it is not dumping all of this text randomly in here. It did this detailed in-depth research first of all on this topic, and then it formatted everything into a clean client-ready deck. So what used to take me like 4 or 5 hours, now it just takes me literally few minutes. So if you're doing last minute presentations, client decks, reports, or lectures, this alone replaces the hours of manual work. Next, I want to try this AI Sheets 2.0. Let me just click on this, and this is how it will open. You can find this Excel sheet in here. Most of the AI tools break or hallucinate as soon as you introduce real data, but Genspark doesn't. I can pull data from the web, upload an Excel file, or connect to a database. Then I can explain what I want in simple plain English. So in this case, I'm just going to give it this prompt, which is analyze Nvidia's financial statements, identify growth trends, create charts, highlight risks. So that's my simple prompt. Now let me just press enter, and now let's just see what it does. To create this sort of like AI sheet, it is going to look online for every single possible source to get this data from websites. And there you go, you can see it is fetching data from web. It is scraping every single possible source available online to finish this task. So let's just wait for it to complete this task. Okay, this is impressive. You can see it has created a very detailed spreadsheet with all of these other different tabs. There is this income statement. So this is Nvidia Corporation consolidated statements of income. There is this balance sheet as well. There is this cash flow. There is this growth analysis, and there is this risk factor. And you can see it has analyzed all of these risk factors as well, market and competitive risks, operational and supply chain risks as well, regulatory and geopolitical risks as well, and similarly financial and valuation risk as well. So basically, based on all of this publicly available data, it created this detailed, very high quality, in-depth spreadsheet with a very detailed analysis. And you can see these were the 5 professional sheets that it created. And also at last, it shared this key investment insights as well. The data reveals Nvidia's unprecedented growth. So rather than going through the spreadsheets, if you want just like a quick answer, so you can easily find it in here. Well, here's the key part. I can easily just export it back to Excel with all of the formulas, formatting, and visuals fully intact. Honestly, this feature feels less like an AI assistant and more like having a data analyst working next to you. Now let's talk about about this AI developer, if I just click on this, and here you'll find this dialog which is asking for a starting point. You can create a simple website or web app. You can even create native mobile applications as well with Flutter, which is mind-blowing. You can also connect your GitHub account and import an existing GitHub project. You can even create full stack websites or applications, and also you can bring your own SSH server. So all of those famous expensive AI tools that you use to build applications, you can now use that, all of that in that same subscription using Genspark. So let's just start with a simple website or web application. So let me just simply click on this, and now I can click on start building, and now I can just give a simple prompt, which is create a modern personal website inspired by reference site, match the layout, colors and structure, and then I have provided screenshot of a website. And here you have this option to choose among all of these different famous AI models. All of these AI models are really good at coding, especially Claude Sonnet 4.5 is one of the best AI model out there for coding. So what I'll do, I'll simply just press enter now, and now based on my prompt, based on my reference image, it is going to create a very high quality website. This is not going to be like a simple HTML code and then I have to like copy that and then paste that in an editor. This is just like bold.new or lovable.dev, where it is going to create a complete website project right here inside Genspark. Okay, there you go. You can see based on this reference that we provided, it created this nice looking, really amazing website. This is like a proper landing page. This is not just like a basic HTML code. This is a proper landing page. You can also explore source code in this file explorer tab. There is this database section as well, where you can create database for this website. There is this option to publish this website as well. So with Genspark, you can do all of this in just one subscription. You don't need to buy anything extra. The next cool feature is this AI designer. So instead of using Canva or Photoshop, Figma and stock sites, I describe right here what I want, and this Genspark AI designer will create everything for me. I can create logos, posters, product visuals, packaging, marketing assets, even billboard mockups with models. I can upload a reference image or sketch, and Genspark generates the multiple variations instantly. I can pick the best one and then refine it with text prompts. This is especially powerful for brand creation, full visual identity, product imagery, and campaign assets from a single prompt. Now let me just show you something that just feels like straight out of the future, and which is this AI agent, which is call for me. This is an AI agent that just calls on your behalf. You can provide your phone number in here, and then you can just verify your phone number, and after that you can give it a goal to maybe book a restaurant or maybe confirm an appointment or maybe interviewing a candidate, and AI handles the conversation. This AI agent listens, responds naturally, and completes the task without you being involved. So no waiting, no awkward calls, and no scheduling headaches. There is another AI agent. This is called AI pods. So if you have a PDF, a report, or a long document and you don't have time to read that, Genspark can turn that into a podcast, just like all of these different podcasts in here. If you just click on any of these, you can see this is like a 5 minutes long podcast.
To find your next great adventure. I'm your host.
Nice. This one is 10 minutes long.
So the interview is tomorrow. You've done the research.
Perfect. The process is simple. You can add a topic, you can maybe add YouTube or links or files. So in my case, I have just uploaded a book, which is like a very long book, and now I'm going to ask it to create a podcast. And that's it. Simply just press enter, and now AI pod will understand this entire book, a very long book actually, and then based on that it will then create a summary and then create a podcast for me. This is incredibly useful for students, researchers, and anyone dealing with heavy reading. Now here's where Genspark becomes a true workspace, not just a tool. Multiple people can work inside the same Genspark project, slides, sheets, documents, designs, while chatting with AI and with each other. It feels like Google Docs meets AI agents. And then there is this AI inbox. You can connect your email account, and instead of managing your emails manually, you can talk directly to your inbox. You can summarize threads, draft replies, schedule actions, and even handle voice interactions, all powered by AI agents running in the background. Everything stays connected and everything stays contextual. Now let's talk about pricing and why this matters. Most people today are paying for multiple subscriptions: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Canva, Notion, Excel tools, automation tools, and still jumping between the tabs. And Genspark replaces all of that with one subscription starting at $19.99. And here's the wild part. Genspark is offering unlimited usage of AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026. This includes access to top AI models like GPT Image, Flux, Nano Banana Pro, Dream, Gemini Pro, Claude Opus, and many more. For creators, founders, students, and professionals, that alone makes it worth exploring. So instead of hiring 5 tools or 5 people, you get one AI workspace that executes. If you want to try it, Genspark gives you free credits when you sign up, and and I will leave my tracking link in the description. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.